we'll guide you through how to use Replit with Supabase. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Replit in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new REPL by clicking on the Create REPL button at the top left or in the middle of your screen. Choose the language you want to work with, like JavaScript or Python, depending on your project's needs. Next, you need to set up Supabase. Go to Supabase's website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up for free. Once logged in, create a new project by clicking on New Project. Enter your project details like the name and password, and then click Create Project. After your project is created, you'll see the API settings. Copy the URL and the API key, because you'll need these to connect your REPL to Supabase. Now, go back to Replit and open your REPL. In the REPL, you can use the Secrets Manager to securely store your Supabase URL and API key. Click on the Secrets tab on the sidebar, enter Supabase URL and Supabase key as the key names, and paste the corresponding values from your Supabase project. This way, your credentials are kept safe. In your REPL, you can now write the code to connect to Supabase. For example, if you're using JavaScript, you can use the Supabase JavaScript client library. Install it using npm by running npm install at supabase/supabase.js in the shell. Then, import it in your code and initialize Supabase with the URL and API key from the secrets. Now you're ready to interact with your Supabase database. You can perform operations like inserting or querying data using the methods provided by the Supabase client. And that's it. You've successfully set up Replit to work with Supabase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.